Here is a Nissan Versa. Now the process is the same for the driver and the passenger side. I'm just going to show you on the driver's side. That's the bulb there. I'm going to show you what the view looks like when I'm working on it. We need to get out 3 screws. For that you'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver. It has to be a small one or else a long one will not fit over there. Let's go ahead and get 3 screws out. This is the first one. Second one's right over here on the edge. And then the third one is right over there. 1, 2 and 3. That one. Let's get these 3 screws out. This will let you peel this plastic layer back and out. And now you'll have access to the bulbs. That's the fog light bulb. Just grab it and twist the entire bulb and electrical connector loose and get it out of the light. Put your left thumb right where I'm putting and press it upwards. And then pull the bulb off of the electrical connector. It may be stuck on there a little bit, so it may take a few seconds to get it out. The bulb size is H8. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. And then let's put the new bulb back onto the electrical connector and click it in place. And when you put it back in the light, you have to make sure that it drops in properly, like this. At this point, the red seal over there is barely visible. And then you can just twist your right to lock it, and you are done. Now, if your clips fell off, just put it back on the way I'm showing. Light it up with the holes over there. Put everything back in place. And then just tighten the 3 screws one by one. 2 and 3, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.